Do you understand English but can't speak smoothly in real conversations? In conversations, do you forget words and feel less confident? If you want to learn English for daily conversations faster and improve your listening, pronunciation, and speaking, welcome to this new lesson. In this video, you'll practice in 4 parts. Part 1, a real English conversation. Part 2, explanation of key sentences and vocabulary. Part 3, questions and answers to help you speak. Part 4, shadowing. You speak as one character and read the lines out loud like a real conversation practice. Let's get started.
Part 1, Listening Practice. In this section, you will listen to a short English conversation. Pay close attention to how the speakers pronounce words, their intonation, and rhythm. Listen carefully and try to understand the meaning. Don't worry if you don't catch everything the first time. Just listen and enjoy. Let's start.
To have in store for.
This cafe is quiet and cozy.
Yeah, it's a nice place to wait.
I feel nervous and tired today.
Is it because of the interview?
Yes, it was long and stressful.
But you looked confident when you came out.
I tried to stay calm and positive.
That's good. The questions were probably hard.
Some were easy, but some were really tricky.
I can imagine.
Now I'm just sitting here, waiting for news.
Waiting can feel slow and uncomfortable.
Exactly. I don't know what the future has in store for me.
Whatever it is, I think it will be good.
I hope so. This job could change my whole life.
You worked hard and prepared well.
Thanks. That makes me feel calmer.
Let's enjoy this warm coffee and relax.
Good idea. Let's see what today has in store for me.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Also, let me know in the comments, what daily English conversation topics would you like to learn next?
Great job! You successfully completed the conversation listening and comprehension section. Let's continue to complete your lesson and learn English. Reminder: the more you listen, the better you understand. Practice makes perfect.
Part 2, Vocabulary. Welcome to Part 2, Vocabulary. In this part, you will learn useful English words and phrases that people use in everyday conversations. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Each word will help you speak more naturally, sound more confident, and understand English better. Remember, learning new words is a big step toward speaking English fluently. You can do it. Let's start learning together.
Have in store for. Used to talk about what will happen in the future for someone. Example: I don't know what the future has in store for me.
What do you have in store for us tonight?
What else do they have in store for us?
What do you have in store for me today?
Do you have in store for me?
So what do you have in store for me, Womack?
Cozy, a place that feels warm, comfortable, and relaxing. Example: this cafe is small and cozy.
So cozy.
It's so cozy.
It's so cozy.
It's so cozy.
Quiet, a place or situation with little or no noise. Example: the library is quiet in the morning.
Just a quiet place in the forest.
Looks like a quiet place.
A quiet place.
The room is quiet.
Nervous, feeling worried or a little afraid. Example: she feels nervous before the exam.
So nervous.
I'm nervous too.
Don't be nervous.
I'm a little nervous.
Stressful. Something that makes you feel worried, tired, or under pressure. Example. Exams can be stressful for students.
It's kind of stressful.
It was very stressful.
Yeah, stress is so stressful.
Incredibly stressful.
Confident. Feeling sure about yourself and what you can do. Example. He feels confident when he speaks English.
I'm confident.
I am confident.
Be confident!
He's not confident.
Well done. You finished learning useful phrases, idioms, and expressions. Keep going to complete your lesson and learn English. Remember, don't just memorize. Try using these expressions in real situations to speak better.
Part 3. Listen and Answer Practice. Welcome to Part 3. Listen and Answer Practice. In this part, you will listen to some questions about the conversation we just heard. Try to answer each question in English. If you don't know the answer yet, don't worry. Just listen carefully and learn. You can pause the video or watch again until you understand everything. This exercise will help you think in English, understand conversations better, and respond naturally in daily life. Take your time and remember, every time you practice, your English gets stronger.
This cafe is quiet and cozy.
Yeah, it's a nice place to wait. Are Emma and Ryan at home? No, they aren't. They are at a cafe. Is the cafe loud and busy? No, it isn't. It is quiet and cozy.
I feel nervous and tired today.
Is it because of the interview?
Yes, it was long and stressful.
Does Emma feel relaxed today? No, she doesn't. She feels nervous and tired. Is Emma nervous because of the interview? Yes, she is. She is nervous because of the interview. But you looked confident when you came out.
I tried to stay calm and positive.
That's good. The questions were probably hard.
Some were easy, but some were really tricky.
I can imagine. Was the interview short and easy? No, it wasn't. It was long and stressful. Did Emma look confident after the interview? Yes, she did. She looked confident. Were all the questions easy? No, they weren't. Some were tricky.
Now I'm just sitting here, waiting for news.
Waiting can feel slow and uncomfortable.
Exactly. I don't know what the future has in store for me.
Whatever it is, I think it will be good.
I hope so. This job could change my whole life.
You worked hard and prepared well.
Thanks. That makes me feel calmer.
Let's enjoy this warm coffee and relax.
Good idea. Let's see what today has in store for me.
Is Emma waiting for news now? Yes, she is. She is waiting for news. Does waiting feel fast and comfortable? No, it doesn't. It feels slow and uncomfortable. Do they leave the cafe at the end? No, they don't. They stay and enjoy their coffee.
Awesome work. You completed the listening and answering practice. You're getting closer to completing your lesson and learning English. Answering questions helps you think in English. Keep practicing. You are improving.
Part 4 Shadowing Practice. Welcome to Part 4 Shadowing Practice. In this section, you will repeat after the speakers to improve your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Shadowing is one of the best ways to sound more natural in English. Just listen carefully, then repeat each line with the same speed and melody. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to train your mouth and ears to speak English more fluently. With every repetition, your confidence will grow. Let's begin the shadowing practice.
To have in store for.
This cafe is quiet and cozy. I feel nervous and tired today. Yes, it was long and stressful. I tried to stay calm and positive. Some were easy, but some were really tricky. Now I'm just sitting here, waiting for news. Exactly. I don't know what the future has in store for me. I hope so. This job could change my whole life. Thanks. That makes me feel calmer. Good idea. Let's see what today has in store for me.
To have in store for. Yeah, it's a nice place to wait. Is it because of the interview? But you looked confident when you came out. That's good. The questions were probably hard. I can imagine. Waiting can feel slow and uncomfortable. Whatever it is, I think it will be good. You worked hard and prepared well. Let's enjoy this warm coffee and relax.
Congratulations! You have completed the shadowing practice and your full lesson. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally and confidently. Keep practicing with different characters, and you will sound more fluent every day.
These videos are here to help you learn English better. Keep practicing with shadowing. If this video helped you, like the video. Thank you.